bunnies, it's Ticky's Trinkets here, and today I have for y'all another polymer clay tutorial. Today we're going to be making a ring, which you'll see in just a moment. I wanted to do something more elaborate than this. I actually wanted to do a full sculpture. Well, you already know who it is because of the thumbnail. But I wanted to do a full sculpture of the different characters from FNAF Security Breach. But I got 3 Etsy sales this week, which I'm really happy about, but that left me very little time to work on YouTube videos. So, you get a ring. I'm also working on a full set of the rings on top of, what is he called? Rockstar Freddy? I think that's what they're all called from this series. On top of Rockstar Freddy, I have almost, oh, I'm all out of thing. Also, this is paint on my hand. Please don't be alarmed. I am also still currently working on Vanny, or Vonnie, however you want to say that. And she will be finished soon, but that was not filmed. Oh, jeez, I can't even. That was not filmed for a video. But if I stay busy with Etsy sales like it's going right now, which I've gotten 1 sale every day, then I might have to do another tutorial of a ring next week, if I don't have a lot of time. I'm not trying to sound lazy, but I'm still trying to put out content for you guys. If I don't even have time for that, I will put up content of me working on the Etsy sales. So that's better than nothing, which both of those are, well, all 3 of those are currently in progress on the desk back there. But anywho, let me go ahead and show the ring off for just a little bit. This came out really, really good. If it would focus, that would be wonderful. This came out really good. Really detailed. Everything was really clean on how it came out. Let me take it off my finger. That would probably be a little bit easier to show you that way. There we go. And it came out really cute. I don't do lower jaws, as you've noticed, just because with such small detailing, I am not a small charm kind of person. I'm a big whopping sculpture kind of gal, and small things are a little bit difficult for me. So, only upper jaw it is. On his lower jaw, he actually has a streak of blue. But again, since I don't put that, that's fine. And it's my choice and my style. I can do it how I want. Doesn't have to be 100% accurate, but you know by looking at this that this is going to be Rockstar Freddy from FNAF Security Breach. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm sorry that it's kind of random. And I hope to do either another ring one or a video of me working on this stuff back here next week. We shall see what I have the time for. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Let's go ahead and get into this. Bye-bye, my bunnies. Alright, for this tutorial, you're going to need tan, hazelnut, black, turquoise, and red in any brand that you prefer. And we're going to start with the hazelnut. Start by taking a ball that's about a ½ inch in diameter and rolling it into a teardrop shape, kind of like this, or kind of oval egg shape. Then press it down gently so that it'll be flat on the bottom but still round on the top, just like this. Then go ahead and roll out about 2 little balls about the size. You can use the mat for comparison of the size. Then I indented 2 dots and cut off the edge pieces to make them into ears. Then where the pieces were flat at, I attached those to the head and then blended them with my blending tool. Next we're moving on to the tan color. Excuse me. And we're going to pre-roll the balls that we need for this as well, which are going to be a slightly bigger and 2 small ones. We're going to start with the small ones and just put them inside the earlobes, just like so. And then the other one you're going to roll into a little tiny oval log shape, just like this. This is his mouth. Again, I only do the upper jaw. You can do the lower jaw if you have the patience and the tiny working hands for it. Then I indented my blade to give it a line for the mouth, and then the same dotting tool to indent for the nose. Next we're moving on to the turquoise color, and you're going to want to roll that out as thin as you can possibly get it without it falling apart, just like this. And then just cut out a strip for the strip around the hat. For the piece that's like his bandana or his eye makeup, I don't know what to call it yet, I just kind of copied the shape freehanding it. It's very difficult, so you might have to redo it a few times. I had to redo it at least twice, so don't knock yourself if you don't get it on the first try. Next we're moving on to the black, and we're going to start by pre-rolling all the balls we need, which you can see right here. After that we're going to start with the small little bottom down at the very bottom center, and that's going to be his nose, so just roll it into an oval shape and just put it into the nose socket. The other two small balls to the left and right at the bottom will be his eyes. Roll them into the exact same shape for the eyes and just stick them on. Try to make them as evenly as possible, as about the same size as you can get it. Then we're going to start with the next ball, which I just flattened with my X-Acto blade, and the other piece to make his hat, we're just going to roll into a teardrop shape. Then smush those together and just kind of like tap it against your work surface to make the top of it flat too. And if it won't stick, which mine wouldn't, just go ahead and put some glue on that or liquid Sculpey, that'll do you good. And then I went on ahead and attached the little piece that I mentioned earlier. And then just go ahead and glue that onto his head as well. Now we can go ahead and go on to the red color clay, which you can see right here. I guess I didn't need that polish for this part, but whatever. And then I'm going to roll out two very little strands, very teeny tiny strands of clay, as you can see here. They're almost as thin as the lines on the cutting mat. One we need really long, one we need short. The short one's his earring, so just attach it like such. Just start at the front and then attach it to the back. The other one is the outline piece for his mask or makeup. Just very gently put this on. And then you're ready to bake. I baked it for 350 degrees for 12 minutes. If you use electric, probably do about 9 or 8. It doesn't need as long for any brand of clay. Next, after it's baking, not before. After it's baked and cooled down, use E6000 to attach it to the ring base. And then use polyacrylic floor varnish to glaze it up, and then you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this, and I will see y'all in next week's video. Bye-bye, my bunnies.